Hi and welcome to this video. So today we wanted to talk about how to install SQL Server on your laptop. Firstly, we go to Google and find SQL Server. Second, we download SQL Server here and download for developer. And install it. Just wait a minute. I want to install the basic version. Accept. Accept. Okay, so it seems that you have done installing SQL Server. So I already installed SQL Server Management Studio, so I don't need to do it now. But if you don't have this, click here to install it. So to check if this works or not, firstly click Connect Now, and second, please find SQL Server Management Studio. Okay, in here, please browse and choose database engine. In here, you have two server. So let's choose the second one and connect. So here you can see your database server here, and congratulations, you have installed it successfully. So this is the end of this video. Nice to see you later. Bye bye.